Aloha from the Noeau Center for Writing, Math, and Academic Success at the University of Hawaii, West Oahu. This video provides an introduction to a special Noeau Center workshop series that will teach you how to get the most out of the software included in the Google Suite bundle. All UH students receive access to this bundle after they have been issued a hawaii.edu email address. Here's the full list of available videos in this G Suite series. Each video covers key features of a specific product in the G Suite bundle. Just scroll down our website below this video to access links that direct you to each segment. All of our videos in the series are set up the same way. Below the video player in each segment, you'll find a list of timestamp shortcuts and a PDF handout of annotated slides. You can use the timestamps to revisit or skip ahead to specific sections of the video. The PDF handout can be downloaded and saved to help you remember what you've learned. Are you watching these videos for course credit? Or are you interested in looking for ways to add additional skills to your resume? Each video contains a brief quiz. If you complete quizzes for 4 out of the 7 available videos and score 70% or higher on all 4 quizzes, you'll be eligible to receive a certificate of completion from the Noeau Center. You can email a copy of this certificate to your professor as verification of your participation. You can also mention successful completion of the workshop series on your resume to showcase additional technological proficiency. If you stumbled across these videos on your own and don't need course credit or resume boosters, feel free to skip the quizzes. You can treat the list of videos in the workshop as an a la carte menu and view only the segments you're interested in. That's all you need to know to get started. Happy viewing! To find additional resources or to schedule a tutoring session, visit us at westoahu.hawaii.edu/Noeau Center. Thanks for watching!